Split tests allow you to compare different approaches to content and timing to find the most effective approach for your email messages. A split test very simply involves splitting your list into smaller segments that you then use for testing. And this is easy to set up with the Segments tool. To get started, choose the option to segment list members only and click Save and Build Segment. Now you select the list or lists that you want to run a split test with and click Done. Since all you're doing here is splitting your list up to run tests, you don't need to set up any search parameters. So you can just click Save and get results. This will bring up a preview of all the addresses in your list. You simply need to click Save here. Now you're on the page where you actually split your data up for testing. Choose to save all results to multiple lists. Enter the number of lists you'd like to create, click Update, and then set the total percentage for each list. To run a basic test in this case, I'm going to set one list as 10% of my data, another list as 10%, and then the last list as 80% of my data. To provide just one example of what you might like to test via such a split, doing a similar split on your own would enable you to test one subject line to the first 10%, another subject line to the second 10%, and then send an email with whichever subject line works best to the larger 80% list. Just be sure to provide each segment of your list with names that make it easy for you to remember which list is which. Once you're done, click Create Lists. All the split lists you've created will now be available in the mailing list section of your account and can be immediately used to send emails out. Note that your original list is not in any way affected by the split.